Hello teacher, good morning. My news is about the Colombian manufacturing production contracted 8% in 2020. Okay, the activity that suffered the most in the midst of the economic crisis were those dedicated to the production of beverage, the refining and mixing of fuel, the manufacture of chlorine. On the other hand, activities from the most separated from production were the manufacture and beverage and basic iron industries. We have the clear that the director of DANI says that the means that the most on general with the particular sanitary measures that were taken in the first week that will be contracted on but the real estate have the growth of sales is on the negative axis. Thank you.